Hello, hello. My name is Harsh Dilipbhai Bhandari. I am a student of Ravensbourne University, London. My student ID is 981442224. Today, I will present an in-depth overview of EcoHaven Community Center. In this video, I will talk about the timeline, task sheet, Gantt chart, resource sheet, supplier assessment, financial forecasting, risk assessment matrix, and at the end of the video you will have a clear understanding of the project structure. Now I will talk about the timelines. So in the timelines, my initial phase started April 7, 2025 and initial phase closed at May 9, 2025. Then my planning stage will start at May 12, 2025 and my planning stage will complete at May 23, 2025. Then my execution phase will start, which was a construction phase, which will start at May 26, 2025 and end at October 24, 2025. Then monitoring and control phase will start at May 26, 2025 and complete at Jan 30, 2026. Then progress and control tasks, quality and safety monitoring, change and risk management start at May 26, 2025 and end date Jan 30, 2026. Then my last stage was a closure stage, which was started uh, 10 20, October 27, 2025 and end date project will close at November 21, 2025, and we will do some monthly review at Jan 30, 2026, and my project final finish at also at Jan 30, 2026. Then I will move to next slide, which was a task sheet. In this task sheet I will talk about the work breakdown structure represented the full scope of EcoHaven community project. EcoHaven Community Center project, a sustainable focus multi-purpose public facility. In the WBS is divided into 5 major phases. First is project initiation. In this initial phase includes stakeholder alignment, land acquisition, and legal approval. Then my second phase was started design and planning stage. In this stage cover architectural design and green certificates and utility integration. And then we will start our construction and execution phase. In this way we will encompasses site preparation, structural work, and integrity community space development. Then my monitoring and control phase will start. In this phase we will ensure quality, budget, sustainability, tracking, and my final closure stage we will do final handover, public readiness review, and community feedback integration. And the WBS help to define responsibility, deliverables, and dependencies across all teams involved in delivering the community focused project efficiency. Now I will move to next slide, which was a Gantt chart. In this Gantt chart illustrate the timeline of all major tasks in the EcoHaven Community Center project, schedule over 40 to 50 weeks. My key highlights. Each task is logically sequenced with predecessor to reflect real construction and planning dependencies. Long-running activities like monitoring and control span across multiple phases, tracking design, HSE compliances, and program. Milestones such as design approval, structural completion, and public opening are used to evaluate major achievement. This Gantt chart provide a clear roadmap of the project. Team city, officials, and the public stakeholder help to ensure smooth delivery and community alignment. Now I will move to next slide, which is a resource sheet. The resource sheet lists both human and material resources required to deliver the EcoHaven Community Center. It includes worksheet like project manager, community liaison officer, engineer, sustainable expert, safety coordinator, construction crew, Material resources like recycled concrete, eco-friendly brick, solar panels, green roofing material, interior furnishing, and technology system. Each resource is mapping to relevant WBS tasks and IDs ensuring efficient planning and use of labor and supplies. This document help to forecast labor demand, manage procurement timeline, and establish the total project cost while staying aligned with sustainable vision of the center. Now I will move into next sheet, which was a supplier assessment. The supplier assessment matrix visually numerically rank three supplier based on evaluation score. Supplier 1 lead with the highest score of 56, following by supplier 2 with 49, supplier 3 trailing 35. The bar chart reinforces the ranking indication supplier 1 of the top perform. Overall, the suggestion supplier 1 is the most suitable choice based on the assessment criteria, offering the best combination of quality, reliability, and value compared to the others. Then I will move to next slide, which is a financial forecasting. In the financial forecasting for the EcoHaven Community Center show a strong growth trajectory despite an initial loss at a pound 1,98,000 in a year zero. The center beginning generation positivity operation profit by year 1 82,000 pound and reaches break even in year 2. Turnover steadily increase, peaking at pound 9 lakh 1,982 at a 5% discount rate, indicating strong long-term financial viability. This bar chart clearly visualizes the upward trend across all key metrics. Overall, the project become self-sustainable from year 2, with the profitable accelerating significant in last year. Now, I will talk about the risk assessment metrics. In the risk assessment metric outlines the potential threat across financial, regulatory, environmental, and technical domains. Each risk is scored by likelihood and impact to prioritize mitigation. Technology integration failure and regular changes poses the high overall risks, and the total score is 8. Both on critical impact require proactive policy update and PR campaigns. Other high priority risks indicate planning rejection, data breaches, and supplier chain dispute, all with medium to high likelihood and significant impact. Mitigation strategy vary, including stakeholders, cons- consultation, integration policy update, and training. This structure approaches ensuring risks and management strategically, supporting reliances and project continuity through strategic preparation and stakeholder engagement. And thank you so much for this hearing my. Uh, thank you so much.